Alright, welcome back to Kerney-cation. So in this video, we did visit Epic Universe on one of the preview days. I think it was May 10th. We're going to be checking out Super Nintendo World. So if you want to see our early park entry we stayed at Terra Luna, I'll put a link to the video there. But let's head over to Super Nintendo for early entry. We got Peach. Oh, it's spin. All right, you guys gonna go with Mom on the escalator?
All right, here, Lily, pop on out. All right, I gotcha. Wow, guys. All right, stay close to Mama. All right, we gotta find Daddy.
Alright, so if you do have a stroller or a wheelchair, you do not go up that way, and we're gonna go this way. We get our own portal. Woo! Going up. Right here. Oh, there they are! Oh my gosh! Oh. Woo! Just try and hit it with your fists.
What do you think, huh? Do it again, buddy.
Ooh, the golden monkey.
Out of the temple before they get the golden banana. These ain't the ripest manners on the tree, I'll tell you what.
It's Cranky Kong.
You knock it off, Scott.
So to the right is Single Rider, and then that's the standby. Here we go. Alright, we couldn't film on the ride, but I did get the photo. It was pretty good. It was a bumpy ride, but a lot of fun. If anyone doesn't want to ride, here is the family room, so you can wait here while the others ride. And next up was Yoshi's Adventure. So this is definitely geared towards smaller kids, and the theming and the queue was awesome. It's Toadette! Oh, what's that? Look! Alright, we couldn't record on the ride, so here's some off-ride footage. My daughter really loved this ride, so it's like half indoor, half outdoor, but they do have a family room if you do have like an infant with you, and it was cool, you could kind of go through the tubes there, so very fun. I'm coming, I'm coming! Alright, so we were able to wait to see Mario and Luigi. It's nice that they offer, you can give them your cell phone and they can take pictures for you. So that was really nice. You didn't have to like just pay for the picture. So not too bad at all, but very cool, good pictures. Oh, there's Peach! Peach's castle! This place is pretty cool, huh? Alright. Looks like it's up. Wow, is that Bowser? Bowser's castle, guys. Oh, you want to do the things, bud? Alright, here we go. Want me to take your picture by him? The trophies. Whoa, look at those outfits. Luigi, Peach, Mario, Yoshi, and Toad. Challenges are a race. Oh, once you get through the pre-show, it is more lines. More lines. Look at those carts, buddy. Holy moly. There's Mario's cart. You see it up there? There we go. They do have a family room for Bowser right through there. They do have a bathroom. So.
Oh, biscuits! Ah! Now you got it. Go, buddy, go, buddy, go! Woo!
Here we go. Get it, the superstar. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. The superstar. No, she's got it. Get him, Lily, get him. Get him. Are we gonna blow up? Let's get out of here. Uh-oh. I don't know. Ah! It's a bomb! Ah! Oh my goodness. Get it, buddy. Wow. Wow. We'll line up. We got all of our keys. I'm gonna go to see Bowser Jr. Okay, tap the camera. Oh, Bowser Jr. Ooh, he's painting. He's an artsy guy. Well, there's his ship. Oh.
Turn the lights on.
Look at all these pictures of Bowser Jr. We did it!
Thank you.
Gee, thanks.
See that treasure chest? There might be something there if you use your power bit.
Thanks.
Wow!
Try it, Lily?
There you go.
Some good AC in here.
Welcome, heroes! You've done well to make it this far. Up ahead is your final showdown with Bowser Jr. When bob-ombs are tossed at you, use your arms to swat them away. Got it? Swat bob-ombs away. When bullet bills fly toward you, duck to dodge them. Don't forget, duck to dodge bullet bills.
Gotta duck.
Jump to hit a question mark and get a flower. When you get a fire flower, swing your arms to throw fireballs. Yes, swing your arms to throw fireballs. Now go forth, defeat Bowser Jr., and reclaim the golden mushroom. Good luck, heroes.
Alright, you're number 10, Lily. Yeah!
Let's go get through.
Remember, you gotta duck for the billet bolt. Ah, got me! I'm little. Alright, throw him. Ah, I'm little. Oh, we did it. Oh. Whoa! We did it! Alright, and they do dump you out right to the left of the portal, right if you're looking at it, but they do have the shop here too, so if you're looking for Super Nintendo merch, definitely check out this store. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. We will be doing videos on the other lands, including Berg, Ministry of Magic, Dark Universe, and Celestial Park. So I hope you enjoyed this real family vacation. We'll see you next time.